All right, boys and girls, today on this side, we're going to do a review of ways to make 10. So we can think of all of the 10 friends that, the numbers that go together to make 10. So we've talked about this a few times, and so I want you to try and think of how many 10 friends you know. So let's start with 0. If I have 0 on this side, then what is the 10 friend going to be with 10? You're so smart, it's 10. Good, so let's go to the next number after 0, 1. So if I have 1, what is the number going to be that's the 10 friend? 9, good. So if we have 0 and then 1, now let's do 2. What do you think 2's 10 friend is going to be? If it goes 10, 9, 8, good. Are you starting to see a pattern? So we went 0, 1, 2. Now let's do 3. So if I have 3, what is 3's 10 friend? Let's look at the pattern. 10, 9, 8. 7, you're so smart. Good. So let's look at the pattern on this side. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Good. So 4's 10 friend would be 6. Good, and then starting over on this side, we have the doubles that equal 10 friends. What are the doubles that equal the 10 friends? Good, 5 plus 5. Good, let's keep our pattern going. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Now look, we have 6 and 4 right here. So if we have 6, what's the 10 friend going to be? Going to be 4. Good. So I'm going to start you on these ones. I want you to write 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I want you to push pause and find the 10 friends that match the last 4. And then go on to the back side. So go ahead and push pause and push play when you're done. All right, boys and girls, now we have addition facts plus 2 on the back. So what we need to do is we're going to count up 2 spots from the bigger number. So let's start on 3. If I put 2 dots, I go 3, 4, 5. Good. And then 8 and 2, it's a 10 friend. We don't have to draw dots because we know that 8 and 2 are 10 friends. What about this one? This one's doubles. 2 plus 2 is 4. Good. Okay. 7 plus 2. So draw 2 dots and we go 7, 8, 9. Or you can use your number line if that works best for you. So now we have 9 and we keep counting. 10, 11. Good. 1 plus 2, that's a plus 1. That's pretty easy. It's just the next number. 5 plus 2. So we say 5, 6, 7. Good. All right, now I'll do one more row with you, and then I want you to do the rest on your own, and then have your teacher check it. So 6, 7, 8. Good. Oh, there's that 10 friend again. Oh, there's those doubles again. Okay, now let's do 7, 8, 9. Good. All right, I want you to stop the video and do the rest of the page on your own, and when you're finished, have your teacher check it. Good job, boys and girls.